In the game of power, the most dangerous people are not the ones who work the hardest, but the ones who make others work for them. Power is not built by exhaustion. Power is built by leverage. Law 7 teaches a truth that most people are afraid to accept. If you do everything yourself, you will remain small, tired, and replaceable. But if you learn how to use the efforts, intelligence, and skills of others, you multiply your power without revealing your hand. History is full of powerful names, yet behind every great ruler, every genius, every empire, there were countless invisible workers. They planned, they calculated, they executed, but only one name was remembered. That is not an accident, that is strategy. People who rise to power understand one thing clearly: effort does not equal reward, visibility does. If you work non-stop while others watch, you will be praised but never promoted. Why? Because the world does not reward sweat, it rewards results and perception. The powerful person learns to delegate early. They let others contribute ideas. They let others solve problems. They let others carry the weight. But when success arrives, they step forward calmly and claim ownership. Not loudly, not aggressively, naturally. This is how authority is created. Those who do the work feel useful. Those who take the credit appear indispensable. And over time, the credit becomes reputation, reputation becomes influence, and influence becomes power. This law is not about laziness, it is about intelligence. A true strategist conserves energy. They focus on direction, not execution, vision, not labor. Because when you control the outcome, it doesn't matter who did the work. In business, the leader is praised. In politics, the figurehead is remembered. In history, the name on top survives. The workers fade, the architect remains. But be careful. If you steal credit too obviously, resentment will grow. Enemies will form. The smart player distributes praise just enough to keep loyalty, but never enough to lose control. You allow others to feel important, while you become irreplaceable. This is how empires are built silently. So remember this law: if you do everything yourself, you will always be busy, but never powerful. If you learn to use the work of others wisely, you rise above effort, above struggle, above competition. Because power is not about doing more. Power is about making others do it for you, while the world believes you are the genius behind it all.